How to block email in Outlook. Okay, you can block emails from some emails or from sender, particular sender. So in Outlook I'll show in this video tutorial. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let's start with the video. So first open the Outlook and choose the which email you want to block. Okay, or directly go to this block sender. Okay, so just select the block. If you want to block from block this email sender, then select this, and now go to the home. Under the home, under the delete tab, you will see the option called junk. This is called junk. Okay, so now you can see block the sender. So you can just block and just click on OK. So all mail from this sender, it will be moved to the junk file. Okay, so this is junk option. You have to choose, select change in junk. You can see this is junk. We just move the this mail in junk or trash. Trash is called junk folder. So when you block someone, it will be, this mail will be moved into the trash only or junk folder. So in future, if you get email from this sender, it will be directly moved to the trash. But if you want to unblock it again, go to the trash, select the sender, and go to the same option and go to the never block sender. So it will be moved to the inbox again, or you have okay, you have to move manually to inbox. And in future, if you get any mail from this sender, it will be moving inbox only. You have to just never block sender. Okay, read to the save sender. Okay, so if you want to move in inbox, you have to move manually. Just click on it and go to the move, and here the select the folders, select the inbox, and just move. It will be move. And in future, if you get any email from this sender, it will be directly come to the inbox. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.